Sanbonani Tobabugile Ekaya. Today you are sitting with Uprovident and I'm with my three lovely guests. We are about to discuss a very sensitive case, a very sensitive topic, which is epileptics. Can you guys please introduce yourselves?
Sanbona Upami.
Okay.
Lebitso la ka ke Atlaganwa Hakaditswe.
Sanbonani Kamalamu Mbuso Wagalama.
Okay. Nyazi, everyone is asking themselves, Gunabantu that do not know what black text is or do not understand what black text is. I'll give my guests a chance to explain according to their own opinion what a black text is. I'll start with you, Mr. Ban.
Ngowami black text, I would say the expectation above lokho ngakhona ukwenza voluntarily. Yeah. From our parents or from the relatives.
All right, Atli.
Well, for me, black text is when you live your life for another person, or when you live your life to please your parents and not living it for yourself.
Okay, Lana.
A black text gave me I think umsangano nje oze nabelungu babheka isociety yabantu abamnyama the way isiphila ngakhona.
They're just making you pay for what your parents did.
Okay. I'll just it leaves me with a question, or let me say I've seen, especially I think into a portray a black text, a TV show was asking somewhere a person was expected to build a double-story house for Umzalwak. I think it's Ukwaito from Skim Sam. How do you think it has delayed, or how do you think it delays a youth as a whole?
My brother, that's a true example, and you have a sense on that one, because personally, the moment ngifuna ukwakha double story ekhaya, worst of all angisebenzeli ngakhona, ngihlala eGoli but ekhaya kusophongola. Now mangakha double story ekhaya ngiyohlala phi mina la lengisebenzela khona. You understand? It means that ngesalary encane engiphiwa yona umlungu wami kumele ngisatisfy abantu abahlala ku double story mina ngiqhubeke ngihlala emkhashweni la lengihlala khona. Uyayibona? So in a way it's delaying me, because it's not like sihola imali mhlambe ngamasaka ukuthi like we have plenty, you can build two projects like at the same time. So the moment wakha le mawuthi uyaqeda kuleso ufuna ukwakhe yakho sekunezinye futhi inkinga ngaphezulu. Uyayibona?
Atli.
Well, to me, even if it wasn't really a lady's first thing, well, that is very offending. Well, to me, when it comes to this black text thing, as much as we've seen from our TV shows and reality shows on TV, whereby there's this show called A Black Text, whereby the girl's parents move into her private space and try changing everything, and she tries changing her life to please her parents. Well, it's something which really affects us as human beings in reality and all of that. Not just black people or not white people, but like all of us in general. Because looking at it, it's something which by you tell yourself that when you're done with school, when you're done with university, when you find the certain job that you wanted, you gotta maybe take your first pay and take it to please your parents or pay them. Like I don't really see the need for that. Whatever you do with your salary, at the end of the day, you're the one who went out and looked for the job. I don't really see the need for you taking and telling yourself that your first salary is for people or your parents. There's no such thing as that, because at first, at some point in life, your mom or your dad really went out, looked for a job, got the job, and really didn't even consider their mother or father to even think, hore, mama deserves something in return.
Okay.
Mina ngiyayizwa imibono ya bafowethu nodadewethu la abakhona. Kodwa I think it also goes back ukuthi lento lena ibanzi kangakanani, because thine singayichaza ububanzi bakhona ukuthi i-demand yabantu abathi so abazali bakho bafuna imali ngaphezulu kwamandla wabo. Kanti kunenye intsha ke level ukuthi ayifuni ukukhokha kwanhlobo, ukuthi ayisafuni ukukhokha kwanhlobo, ukuthi vele nanoma kuthiwa endlini kuyalamba sebayidefine as i-black tax, ukusupport umzali i-black tax. Kanti nenye into okumele ukuthi siyiqaphele kakhulu ukuthi at one point umzali wakho wasacrifice obubunandi wasacrifice izinto ezihle empilweni ukuthi wena uthole impilo engcono.
But what does that have to do with me? Utumzali a sacrifice or whatever they had to do would bakhulise mina, give me a better education life. What does it have to do with me? Is it not their responsibility?
No, I think it lies in ukuthi wena as an individual are you umuntu onokubonga na? Are you a grateful person? Because mina into ye black tax ngizonda nale gama nalelibiza nje ngicikwa yile gama self because into nje nayi no black ecaleni wazi ukuthi ayikho into elungile ngayo. So into ngisho nje ukuthi le gama itself lokuthi le system lethina bekuphilwa ngayo as indigenous people ukuthi nase basithumile abazali bethu siyabuya sibahlomise nathi lokho esikufundile lena lokho esikuzuzile le. But the problem manje I think lento futhi ye black tax akusiyona into eze nomuntu omnyama. It's a system or umbono womuntu wekhala mhlambe ehlukile or webelief ehlukile ukuthi nakabona the way siphila ngakhona sibantu abamnyama ukuthi umuntu uzosuka ahamba uyofunda nakabuya before azakhela indlu yena akhela umama bese yena athi no lena ke i black tax but thina sesilamukelile legama leli asayiboni nge
black tax
exactly. So mina ke that's why ngithi namhlanje sisaqhubeka ngiyayicitha indaba yokuthi kufanele ukuthi singabonga angaze ngale black tax kakhulu ngikhuluma ngoba le gama the context yale gama ngilithanda ngithanda nje ukuthi sibuyele emakhaya sibonge.
But then does it have to come with until their demand ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi mina for you ukuthi ngibonge kwamele unginikeze lokho?
I demand angeke uyenze into enungayisebenzelanga. It shothi njengoba bekasho umfowethu umbami ukuthi if sekufika ku stage sokuthi si define I black tax ngokuthiwa imali abazali abayifunako above your means or bayidemanda then sekumele sicheke ukuthi ini le black tax le ngabe yiyo lento esikhuluma ngayo nasikhuluma ukuthi abantu abamnyama bahamba bayofunda esikoleni baphinde basize emakhaya na ngoba singathi into eyodwa kanti izinto ezithu ezihlukile kunomzali nje ofuna ukuyizuzela emntwaneni wakhe phecelezi bizwe ngokuthi I black tax le.
Well, Putabo, like to me, looking at this thing, it mostly like affects the male gender because like it gets to the point whereby this black tax thing ruins marriages. Marriages end up in divorce because the husbands end up thinking that my mom raised me, my mom did this and that for me, so I gotta repay my mom in a way whereby you end up neglecting your wife to satisfy your mom's needs. Then marriage ends in divorce. So this thing is really wrong that at some point you tell yourself as a person that your mom or your dad or your parents expect something from you in return. They don't. You're living your life for yourself, not for them. They raised you to become independent. They raised you to become the person you've always wanted to be, not for them, but for yourself.
Okay.
To add on that, guys, I think also indlela structure or system enkhule ngayo ekhaya plays a role. I would hit very hard on this one because it controls indlela esizowenza ngayo kusasa nesenze ngayo namhlanje. The structures alapha kuma families, I would say they are dysfunctional. Umbono wami. Because in most cases, if ever we can collect data la lesihlala khona manje, we would discover ukuthi maybe 70% of the houses ala kukhona ubaba but we step or umama we step. Now uthando bafethu isizwe sithi alivali isidikselo selinye ibhodo asilivali elinye ibhodo. We understand. Now which says kukhona lento yenzekalayo la kule process yokukhula komuntu ebabhlungu to a point that uma sekasebenza afisa ukuthi engabuyeli lapha emuva or kungabi nento emhlanganisa nalapha ya emuva phuma khona, of which lapho umama Yesu uyangizala mara kunolo baba eloku engihlukumeza lapha ya. You understand? If besikhuluma ngomama wami eyedwana thola ukuthi I would run an extra mile, but because kunalo baba sashaya umthetho lapha ukuthi la kunje and like ngakhula kanzima ngayo uyayibona, like mama sefika ufuna ukuchange izinto then kuyabuyela enhlizweni ukuthi hayi bo phela we understand. Let me give you a picture, but while at varsity, I remember I had a roommate. One day, Saturday, sidlala FIFA. He gets a call from a strange guy who happens to say, "Hey boy, yimini ubabakho." How? Babami. Oh, yebo njani? Ngizwile bathi uyafunda, umphathe kahle umakoti mayisekhona. Okay? Lalela ke, the part mina eyangenza ngafuma by that time. Athi ke, yafunda uqede uzonginakekela.
Yebo.
Now, if you don't, amadlozi wakini azokuflathela. You understand? Now, for me it was like abekuphi lamadlozi ngenkathi wena ungamnakekeli. You understand? Akuflathele yini wena ngenkathi wena ungathatha responsibility ngami njengomntana wakho. You understand? Again then another thing was like ihamba ne threat le demand. You were not there empilweni yami. Angiyazi number yami utholephi. That's number 1. But so qhamuka wena like dlala man mfethu ngiphi 50 rand ngikhohlwe at least, you understand? Ungaqhamuki wena nge first call yakho so ngitshela ukuthi ukhona uzomflathela ngithi mina manga decide ukuyekela. You understand? So what I'm trying to say ukuthi kaningi siphila under ifear. Kunomehluko phakathi ko respect umuntu nokwesaba umuntu. Angithi uma ngihlonipha ngingakubingelela ngikujabulele and all that, but mangikwesaba ngiyaphenika mawuvela. So I feel like abazali most of the time babeka i-threat ngaphezulu kwabantwana babo ekutheni if you don't do then this is what is going to happen. My brother, I'm thinking kubela kule nto ukuthi irresponsibility yomuntu it's to go back to say thank you. You understand? Like if you say thank you Mbuso, ama nickness we 1 rand can be a token to say thank you.
Thank you, yeah.
You understand? PS chocolate can be a token to say thank you.
Yeah.
Ikroza ka 2000 can be a token to say thank you. But now ngine challenge la khona. I know if family yami idinga ini. You understand? Sikhule sidla ubhontshisi nepapa. Ngiyazama okay ukuze bengabuyela ubhontshisi Nkosi yami angithenge at least inyama ye500. Ngithenga impuphu, ngithenga rice. You understand? We have not that is a standard living. Ngiyabanikeza. But after that kukhona umntana kitho demanda ini, kukhona ini and mangazenzi kuba ngathi khona mina okurong engasakwenzi kahle. That's the part I'm against. Ukuthi ke ungangicindezeli ukuthi ngenze into. Understand this, yabona there's one thing we can do even ngisho shela putwami. Sidlala ngolimi. You understand? Angiconvince ukuze ungayiboni lento iyini. You understand? Angikwenze ubone putwami ukuthi I need a phone. Kungabe ukuthi ngiyathreatenisha ukuthi abanye abazali baphatha amafoni amasha. Mina nginafoni kodwa umntana uyasebenza. Hayibo. Like putwami, you said kwi-investment na or ukuthi wenza umsebenzi wakhe as a parent wangizala kumsebenzi wakhe ukungikhulisa unga-investi ngawo.
Exactly, yes.
Because what if le investment yafaila ke so uzongithuka ngenxa ukuthi amakhelwane umntana khona ube right wakhile yena mina mangibhema ama-drugs sengizothuka every day la khaya ekuthenini mina ngidisappoint ngi-factory fault ngifeyila lo akamakhelwane yena uright. You understand? Seya lapho phela
mina ngibheke ngane wembani ukuthi most of the time like the way nangichecka nje kuma social media the way udefine ngakhona i-black tax akusiyona into abayiportray yako lapha ku social media. Lento because mina sengizobathi sengibheka nama state bathi kunabantwana aba depressed abazali babo ba demanda they are depressed bona nana kodwa lezi ezinye lezi ngiyazibona ukuthi no lo muntu kwanhlobo vele akafuni into engiyibheka ukuthi mhlambi asithi mina ngiyasebenza ngiphume ekhaya nje kunabafowethu abayi3 abafowethu abayi3 siyalingana but no le thule ayime ingaye varsity hambe wena uhambe evarsity khona ukuthi uzobuya ulekelele la nawahamba uye varsity uthola intombi because uchecke kahle lama comment nale ndlela the way bayifaka ngakhona lapha lawa khuluma kabanye laba abantu besifazane bakhulumela ama boyfriend abo ukuthi ba under I black tax mara now understand that the context yakubona ukuthi no lo muntu lo shothi lona sekabuyela manje athi phela le ndlini le ungibona mina ngila kunamadoda ayi3
supporter
amile ukuthi mina ngikhona ukuphusha then lona yenzeni manje agijimele ku Twitter abazali bahlukumeza abantwana babo ba demanda akusi responsibility yakhe abakhulumi the full story ukuthi no so ngibona ngihamba ngepolo nje namhlanje kunamadoda ayi3 amisiwe ukuthi mina ngikho advance so I black tax mina the way ngibona ngakhona the way uyichaza ngakhona embamba ile uyinikeza enlightenment versus lento abayiportray yako le ene ignorance eningi ukuthi every time ukhipha imali umzala athi ngicela airtime uthi I black tax akunampupho la endlini I black tax kanti kumele sichaze ukuthi I black tax lena yini ngobubanzi siveze neoppression yakhona ukuthi size sithi black tax kune operation ethize beyond my means mara asithi ukhuluma nangomuntu because even bathi lento lena into lesithi black tax spill above our means. One, umuntu yothi aqala umsebenzi first job yakhe athenge IBM X5 already lo muntu lona sozifake engqupheni ukuthi aphile above ama means wakhe ahamba oqashisa iestate ahamba othola intombi njena ethandi life style you understand then manje umzali wakhe athi ngiqela impuphu how you say black tax so bangifuna imali enganayo mara leyo please abantu yokuyenze bokonka ikhona yona asivumelaneni thina sithi I black tax is when wena uyasiza mara if family yakho is asking above your means hayi lapho ke na siyavuma lapho.
To hold that thought, I mean we will continue with the conversation after the ad break. I mean I can see it's heated and all. I heard Umbuso mentioning something about depression from endlini and what's so not. I believe kuna parents out here that are affecting abantwana babo coming to what is into was expected from abantwana babo. We'll talk about that conversation after that break. Make sure you do interact with us. Comment below and share. Tell your friends to tell their friends to join the conversation. Welcome back to the show. Sisahleli sakhuluma nge-black tax and family pressure. I mean, I heard you Mbuso talking about okay, your scenario ubekise ngento ukuthi ni 3 endlini. And then as the firstborn they decide ukuthi no, thi umbuso ahambe ayofunda ayosebenza. And then abuye azonakekela the 2 kids. You go out there uyosebenza, it's fine. You earn probably let's just say 20,000. You are expected ukuthi unakekele the 2. Uyopatela their fees. After paying their fees, you'll have to build your mother a house. With you doing that, our son now amandla of going out and living your life. When the 2 succeed, bayaphuma they do their own things. Kumbula uyi firstborn. Probably by that time you are 35 or 40. And then when they discuss, when they discuss, you cannot do anything on your own. Don't you think that is affecting our youth?
Okay, athi lento si khuluma ngokubanzi. Ikhona into bathi Indian tax or Pakistan tax.
No, I sengakayizi.
Okay, so ngicela ukuchazela aniyazi
because asibo.
Okay, ngifuna ukubona ukuthi iaffect kanjani bona whether ibayenza ukuthi bathuthuke angithi ayikho asikazi sizwe Bur tax or what tax sizwa ngale abantu abamnyama asibheke bona baphila kanjani. IPakistan hlala le Pakistan or Ethiopia bathatha imali ke umndeni uya decide ukuthi siyothatha imali sithatha uRajesh simise eSouth Africa. uRajesh nakafika eSouth Africa akavula isitolo asebenze to a point ukuthi akhona ukuzimela ukuze akhona ukuvulela umfowabo lo isitolo uAbdul isitolo esini athi wena nje njengamuntu abantu umuntu engiphila naye la mphakathini ukuthi le system abayisebenzisako naye enye futhi ngizobheka ezithu umlungu bamthathe futhi ebelungu bona bane head start bane advantage mara okusalako nabo baba tax ngoba umlungu uyahamba ayofunda athi seqedile ukufunda bathi awuyosebenza ubani wena yazi lento le ibhlungu phela bathi awusebenzela ubani nami ngine business la or ngine plus thatha leso skill leso and whatever uzoinvest la endlini ngitsheleke ke ukuthi ibasebenzela kanjani bayawa noma bayavuka.
Ngicela ukuphendula nje.
Okay.
Bafowethu, you know, I personally feel ukuthi i-apartheid iyadila nathi thoroughly so and ngendlela ebuhlungu because ezinye izinto asifuni ukuziviewa ngendlela eyiyo we tend ukuthi into my serious sivele si overlook esendlule senze ukuthi singayi address now uma mhlambe singaqala kuwena Mbuso I think into ekhona butwami ukuthi indlela thina as South African blacks if I would put it esiphila ngayo ihluke yodwa butwami ihamba yodwa we cannot compare it with Amandia or Abelungu or whatsoever tribal group we have because Bona they have their norms and standards you understand of which if you do something engekho kumthetho wabo there is something that should be done again bekese butwami as you were saying I read a book like this white like for example the Boers
yes
uma umntwana ezozalwa uzalwa ne trust account kuloko kufakwa kulomntwana idepositwa imali like the 20 rands what rand preparing for a future lomntwana you understand ukhula lomntwana mayefika ku level okumela ye university khona akukho ukuthi kusamele siye ku NSFAS siyocela or in because we had prepared for ukuzalwa kwalomntwana we have so we are ready as parents uma lo mntwana eyofunda akasihlephuli somewhere ukuthi mhlambe sekumele sisogole ngenxa yokuthi uyofunda you understand we planned ahead remember umntwana una let's say 19 years ekhona ekhaya for the 19 years besenzana we didn't prepare aware ukuthi ngemonth masingafaka i50 rand kule account eyawuthi nakathi 19 lo mntwana it's quite a lot you understand so now what I'm saying is lo mntwana uthi ekhula butwana ukhula uyazi ukuthi they invested on me kuna generation ezayo emva kwami of which I have a responsibility yokuthi nami ngiinveste kuwo uma sengiqala mba nomntwana butwami uke wabona ukuthi itrend isethiwa ngabazali ekhaya ngikubekisele ngisho ekhaya kini or wherever ikhaya likhona uma ifirst born iyile euniversity chances are high ukuthi nalabo abasemva kwakhe bayaya mara uma ifirst born ihlalile yangayi chances are high ukuthi nalabo abahlala kuyawuze ngichamke mhlawumbe last born sesukuma evarsity ngeba support because abayazi lento you understand so what I'm trying to say is if only as blacks we can go back to the drawing board sifike sicheke ukuthi iculture yethu ithi senza kaso uma sizala asizaleli ukuthi umntana wami asupportwe lo ngizalela ukuthi umntana wami ngimsupporte fully ahamba afikele kumele afike khona akhe owakhe umndeni because igama elislimazayo kakhulu ukuthi sikukhulisile nawe ukukhulisa abafowenu nibazalele mina yini cha angithi butwami iya la ukawa notice ukuthi ngiyaxolisa ukusho kanje but ukwa notice ukuthi laba inkosi engabaphanga much financially so ibona bazala kakhulu kanti phela mfethu uma ngibona ukuthi hey angiphiwanga kahle epocketeni anginayo into ezongisustain angibe noyi1 umntwana or about 2 ngenzela ukuthi ngizoba supporta mina bahambe bandize basebenze babuye bangisize ngibuyele ephuzweni olishini ku wrong mfethu ngizoyicrasha manje sisonke la ku wrong ukuthi ifamily izovumelana idiscuss ukuthi akuhambe lo ayofunda laba balindi cha in our country we have the NSFAS and all that abahambe bonke why lona ahamba azobuya supportela whereas phela umzali sikhuluma neqiniso bafethu akabhadari lutho university akabhadari lutho uma ekwazile nje umntana ukuthi umzali is a domestic worker ubaba akasebenzi or akekho simazi vele abo baba abaningi abaziwa ngithi that's what we know asazi baye kodwa nje kuthiwa abaziwa angithi now while abantwana bangahambi bo 3 mangabe abasupport ufake kule mali efakwa NSFAS yokudla u200 per month ukuthi babe nokudla ok enough we understand bayabuya labantwana sebasebenza bonke bo 3 hey bafake sizomenzelana umama uyabona yesindi lento si 3 asenzele umama into so we understand inkinga Mbuso nemhlambe enye sibuyele kuyephutwana njengoba bebasho abafowethu nangu ubuyile ke ufirst born manje kumele usakhele la khaya ngisathi ngithi ngicabanga indaba yokwakhela umama because vele sithi sakhela umama kodwa sakhela umndeni wakithi angithi ngisathi ngicabanga ukwakhela umama nangu ubhuti wami omunye sekafuna iTimberland omunye sekafuna iPalladium engaka engake ngakuthola empilweni kodwa engakaki
Phuma la
mina
magama.
into engiyitholile ukuthi ngithola i-textbook ngithola i-study guide naso basikhulumela uyezwa manje angake ngithola ama-demands like ifone ngiyithole mhlawumbe sengisevarsity uyezwa manje nami sekafuna iteki le 1500 mangithi ngithi anginamali sayinkinga ekhaya ukuthi hayi ubhizi upha amantombazana imali cha uyanderstand again kodwa ngiyayakha le ndlu ne ngiyabasupporta fully futhi ngifuna uyibheke le yakhona ngiyayakha le ndlu efunekayo ngiyasupporta la car every month ngize mhlambe futhi ngaphezulu kwaloko ngenza sho ukuthi nabo sesi bamase baqala ukuzala ngiyathenga ubisi uyabona ukuthi black test le uyangivumela kuloko bobaba babhizi badlala ama dice ngaphandle mina ubhutwa la khaya umalume walabantwana ngiyabasupport ngiyakwenza konke naba abafowethu abawu2 abasalile bayafunda leso sikhathi ngiyabasupporta nabevarsity baqeda yini abazoyenza bona indlu yakhiwe phela iphelele kustand ngenze konke butwana
mara asikhulumele also futhi nento le abayibiza ngokuthi i-generational curse because into engiyibhekile mina kumele kube nomhlatshelo endlini oyi1 noma abayi2 akekho umuntu owake wachange isimo angafunanga uba umhlatshelo walesimo leso sokuthi nasikhulile si5 usikhulele endlaleni ukhona oyedwa la noma ababili abophenduka umhlatshelo ukuthi kumele basacrifice impilo zabo ukuze labanye baphile kahle lento leyo yaza izingane ayizi ngokufela nasiyayibheka mama ayizi ngokuthi ubano right ubano wrong
mbuzo khona lapho kudaba nansi indlu yakhe uvumile kuba umhlatshelo usebenze egoli ekhaya kusenatali uyabuya one day uze ekhaya ikamero lakho nala usenalo kulendlo yakhile wena nabantwana bakini abasebalele ebhedeni wakusebagoloza makumele baphule
yazi ukuthi la sikhuluma ngani manje sesikhuluma nge oppression noma ngenqindezi esibhekana nayo sibantu abamnyama.
It goes back to my question lento ekhulumayo. How does it delay le mihlatshelo leyo impilo zabo ziba delayed kanjani?
Umhlatshelo awunayo impilo. Umhlatshelo uzama ukuchange isimo somunye umuntu.
So wena you personally tell me ukuthi
kuloko putamna kula le process okhuluma nga aweke ukuthi mangi umhlatshelo
yes
nina nibakithi nina nizalwa nami
yes
ngiyumhlatshelo mina eyami life ya delay uyina spawn wena uthi uyasebenza sothenga imoto uyayinotice lento iyana sebantwaneni bami iyana kwabama abantwana abakho ba right konke kwakho like ku smooth mara umntana nami uyadelay angikhona ukuthenga iprem angikhona ukuthenga icassette ngenxa yokuthi ngibhizi ngifaka ama tiles ekhaya umfowethu kodwa sehamba ngeBM ngethi ngifuna ukuba umhlatshelo
mara lapho yasesikhuluma
that's why ngithi imazana abantwana bami
because now it takes me back to a TV show engayibona where umntwana used to love umalume wakhe ukudlula ubabakhe because ubabakhe beyanganalutho because of i-black tax. See how it's oppressing the black people.
No, mina ngiyavuma Thabo. Okay, ngakhuluma sisi.
Ngibonye. This thing ne I affect like impilo zethu ngendlela eziningi. Ngoba mongathi uyabheka kwamanje like looking at the society, the community you living in, ne? Banengi like ukhuluma banengi abazali abasebenza ngokwabo. Abantwana bahlezi endlini. So you just tend to tell yourself ukuthi okay, unemployment rate is really high. Ne? It's really high. Our parents are still working because baqala kudala ukusebenza. Umama mdala. Mara usasebenza, usavuka ekseni ahamba emsebenzini. Mina ngihlala endlini.
Ufuna
isinkwa, ngifuna imali yokho drink. Mama makabuye entambama ngiyambuza ukuthi mama kuphekwani. Angisho mina ngathengi next endlini. Akukhona ikufakile fridge ukuthi basho ngivalele so lesa space.
And where's basazali?
No, mina lendaba yaso ngithi ukuphuma singaphumi ku black tax yokuthi sivumelana on the grounds yokuthi
do something.
Once umuntu afila oppressed by the demands singayicategorize kulento abathiwa i-black tax. But mina sengishela ukuthi the extensive reality empilo ithi nangabe kufunakala i-drastic change esimene esithize whether indlala whether yini whether i-case kunomuntu oyedwa fana njengathi asithi abantu laba ama-comrade abalwa ba-decide ukuthi hayi khona phela le freedom lethine sibo Christian njengoba silwa so singafa singasayi-enjoy mara ubheke manje abantwana bakhe manje uChristian ba-benefitile from the freedom abayifele bona sengichaza ukuthini mina kungahle ukuthi wena iyakulimaza lento but if yenzeka ngendlela right inamandla ukuthi yenzeni iphule i-line of poverty emndenini othize angikhulumeli in a case mina whereby kuneyilima lapho ezingafuna ukusebenza zifuna ukudla wena njengobhuti omkhulu ngikhulumela la khona aba4 abayi3 babambisana bathi no njengoba wena sokhona ukwenza so mina ke ngizobamba la wena yakhe indlu ngizofaka igarage ubaba udinga iveni ukuthi aqhubeke mhlamba yenza amatohonyana asimthengele iveni or simlungiselele itracker yakhe yakudala we understand labantu abayi3 laba baphule ichain meaning for example manje benginoslumo during the week wama tracker yeah ubekazile lapha kimi lapha azochecka into engibhizi ngayo so the guy uhlala nami and then sikhuluma ngayo lento le athi uyazi mina bengiyi diesel mechanic bekayi diesel mechanic afundile kube kuye nje ungathi wayeka wathatha imali wathenga amatraka wathenga amanye amaratha wabuye wazilungisela yena wazilungisela waze wathuthuka manje aba4 wabo basebenza lapha abaphethe bayenzana abosesibakhe abanye bakhele izindlu nanani like uthi abantu abayizwisisi lento engiyenzile mara ngisetha istandard kulaba sekhaya ngisho nasengqondweni zabo ukuthi bazi ukuthi la kaSilumo wenza nje uma usuphumelele akukhoneki ukuthi manje kube nesizukulwana laphana ebathi siyalamba lo muntu azamile ukubreaka that chain mara ngoba usekaphuma yena athi ngiyi-diesel mechanic ngizifundele ngemali yami athi ngihambe ngiyowakhela umndeni wami isithabathaba sethi washiya le plaza lela manje laphana ngoba le chain ngoba isaqhubeka manje until that's why ngithi mina ngiyayizwisisa i-black tax nobubi bayo mara ngifuna ukubona ukuthi singabendi yonke lento ehle le enziwa abantu abasiza umndeni wabo abatshentsha izimo sithi i-black tax and ba-oppressed umuntu nangabe yakhona kayenze ungamcriticize ukuthi i-victim ye-black tax
okay yeah mbuso yazi asikisakhe the way ukhuluma ngakhona uthi banoslumo ne yeah the way ukhuluma ngakhona uSlumo ifamily yakhe idemandile ukuthi do this or did he do it willingly is it ikuma means wamandla wakhe na
isimo sometimes umzala kakhulu umkhuluma isimo kunganga demand yena isinkwa isimo sisho sithi ngifuna isinkwa mina
but into esikhuluma ngayo manje
uyenze wena so uthi demand le
yes into esisho but into esisho rather than a parent azothi kuwe I want this ebile bathi bathi ngifuna lokho umntwana la uwenze lokho lento comparison especially yebayisebenzisayo ubani wenze lokho wena uhlulwa yini so usebenza
ingcindezi leyo ngikhuluma ayisi black tax ingcindezi
uSlumo it was willingly into le uyenze ayibone
mara vele siconsider the fact yokuthi isimo siyakhuluma
that one angandi yabona le ngivumelana what he did was a good thing and mina personally angiconsider as a black tax because yena ubonile ayohlala phansi I1 what can I do to change 1 2 3 4
mara abanye nabayibheka ke bathi because khona umunye angayibheka athi why lo wakhela wonke umuntu eyenza uthengela wonke umuntu imoto lo yamudla i-black tax ifamily yakhe yamudla kanti that's why ngithi mina le yakambami ayikhuluma ecaleni ngihambe ngayo mina ukuthi if it's above your means
yes
that's black tax
that's black tax yes and le yakaSlumo si black tax
this thing ne ask yourself where does it come from and what is this thing what's black tax and why is it called black tax why is it called out of everything like we many colored people
okay
we many colored people
coming to
why is it called black tax
I think we should just break le gama le black tax I believe we met the teacher and I guess you can give us a clear definition of tax
okay
yeah what is a tax
so a tax it's whereby the government using SARS from I think izo yakule
so I want to
there is income from the income you receive, you are expected to contribute a certain amount.
Yeah.
Actually, no. I'm telling you, will contribute. From the income, they take.
Yeah.
Before it even gets to you are already taxed. Ihamba iyoseva the community.
Khonakala ukuthi kube ne-development ungabanga nemvu ehlaniwe
akhona but uyayibona ukuthi manje seyapi kuzo la ebile I think into le is mandatory ne i-tax.
Yes,
anixoxisani lapha bayithatha nixoxisani
exactly, that's how it gets i-oppressor abantu abaningi abamnyama.
I see,
I mean, we should no but khona
as
sengikhulumela i-black tax mina sengibuyela back to our main title i-black tax. I mean okwamanje mina mangikhula nginama dreams wami. I wanna drive a Polo, live in my fancy apartment for about 3 years, and then ngihlale ngiphume ngizele bomakonke and enjoy my money until a certain age. Makusekufika endlini bazocrasha yonke le plan yami. Ngale mali maphi?
No umzali manje
yabona ukuthi manje sesibuyele endaweni eyi1.
No mina yazi ukuthi ukhulumela phezukwane Thabo. Ngikhulumela phezulu ukuthi umzali insimo or like i-situation I think yenze ngento kanje besides ukufaka nje i-religion nani asenze nge-nature ukuze wonke umuntu abe neutral. I-nature isebenza kanje, ayikho into eyenzakala ku-nature engathi imele improve the next generation, which means if ubona isihlahla sikhula swisa amaqabungu wona lawo azophenduka i-fertilizer okunourish the same tree. Siyazi ukuthi if manje ngikhula kanje ngiyenza so the cycle it will continue. If angiproduce imbewu then the next generation ngeke ibe khona.
Okay,
that's nature ne. So if in nature yona iyazi ukuthi ukuze mina ngibe ne next generation kumele ngiproduce into eso engeke ibenefit mina ezodliwa i-next generation. Kangakanani thina siyabantu abamnyama ngisakhuluma ngalento ye-tax umba manje uyasho ukuthi i-SARS njengami so ne company asixoxe nakuze kufayileni bavele bathumele email nje ukuthi i-tax yakho ikanje sicela ufile angisho bangihlephula ngabe iVAT bathatha i-15% yakhona ye-VAT leyo. Imali leyo mina inganga enjoy mina directly but okusalako one way or another izoyithola impilo yami because uzoza ba increase the quality of security, which is bazocasha amaphoyisa azonakekela mina, bazo increase i-basic standard of living, amanzi, electricity na ilento yenzakalako na ku tax. If lento le ngempela i-tax, that means it must benefit you at some point. If lento benefit nale gama le tax ali akuyifanele.
Okay, but yeah,
akuyifanele nale gama le tax one drop.
No,
I
Before you ask the question, like my point of view is when it comes to this thing, your black tax and gosh, okay, let me take out the black word. Let me say e-tax. Why is it that when you're working and you're earning a certain amount of money, they take a tax from you, that tax goes to those who are unemployed, those who are staying at home, not thinking for themselves because of uyoba nomntwana eyi-1 amholeli isasa le bayidonsa emholweni akho whereby wakho umntwana just because of bathi wena uhola more can't even have access to that money le bayidonsako from wena bathi ye-tax. Is it fair enough to those who are working ukuthi basho ngihlale mina ngithi nomakhelwane umakhelwane unabantwana kokudlula bami bangabanayo le access yemali engango-2000 loyo ebangidonsela yona every month bathi we-tax osupport abantwana bakamakhelwane umakhelwane naye anazo leso sibindi leyo mpilo ukuthi basho naye asukume afane namahamba ayofuna lo msebenzi
nayo imali nangasebenzi bohambe ikontirini ezifakwe nge-tax abanye abantu.
Yeah, but
uthola amanzi abhadalwe nga-tax amanje. Sho ukuthi at some point kuyadlwana akekho umuntu engekadla omunye nawe bukhona abantu bobadla ungakaphumelelanga empilweni nge-tax yabo. I-NSFAS yini i-NSFAS
it will always be debate.
I-NSFAS ibhadala abanye i-tax nawe manje so graduateile ayikudli i-NSFAS ibhadalela abanye.
No, but Mbuso, I want to show you something.
It's a circle. Difference
between
you know Mbuso, I'm a beneficiary in NSFAS now. The funny part ukuthi ke I graduated in 2015. I'm still paying for NSFAS right now, and I'm also taxed right now. I think the point I am a taxpayer. They take close to 4,000 per month from me. But
Due to the amount of money you get.
But I cannot get an RTP. And I do not qualify to buy a house.
Even your kids don't qualify.
My daughter
to have access to the grant
get
money.
a grant.
Yes.
I'm not. I cannot access anything that is free in the country according to Abantu. Yes, yes, it is true.
That's my question exactly.
It is true. But then, like, I'm still paying NSFAS as we speak. I had to make an arrangement. I'm paying tax every month. But then I told you, I'm told RDP. Nendlu, a decent house, I do not qualify to buy in a salary nitola. You understand? So, do you notice Kuti Lolonga Sevens who send him a decent and a bathroom pagat? Meaning Samuel Wanda and Funum Kasho all over because I do not qualify to benefit from that. I understand. But then going back to the topic Buffett is because they deviate. Now, I want to give you a scenario of which it happened in my family. Kuno mntwana like umntana kababa omncane wami wakhulelwa wazala before bekhulelwe when I was in varsity I called for a meeting. I'm a firstborn ekhaya abahlasa abantu like the extended family because ubaba wami unomkhuba uvela lande wonke umuntu like uyabona ukuthi nase kasicindezela yena ulanda wonke umuntu wezwa nje ukuthi kunomntana kamfowabo ukukhupha yambuyisa sekamnakekela. Then I said to them, Buffett, ngiyanibona ngiyakhula sengiqala uku-actor futhi. Please help me. Kungabikho noyedwa lakini ozokhulelwa bese angifonela athi but in yomntwana iphelile. You understand? Ngayicela le ngathi ningisize. Kungabikho noyedwa ozofuna izinto zomntwana. Ungamcela wena okwakho. Ungicele mhlambe whatsoever you need shoes wena uwakithi. Mara hayi umntana wakho. You understand? Ngisiza wena, I cannot go to as far as umntana wakho. Then I said that. Then hey, okay. Wapreka wesithu umntwana. Uthena eteta bangifonela ekhaya. But hey manje menzi kumele sihlanganise las at least per month sinikeze umntwana usesi. Ama 350 sonke la siwu4 ukuthi akwazi ukusupporta labantwana siseba u2. I said to them ngicela uphinde nginifonele. Ngiyam etime ngafona. Buffett ngine proposal ebetter. Ama 350 ne every month. That's a lot. I would anginayo. But then I believe ekuthenini umuntu ngimnikeze imbewu not isinkwa. Uyangithola. I said asikhiphe 350 oyi1 ngemonth eyi1. Sivumela nsiwu4 mhlawumbe sikhiphe ama 50 rand so4 la. Kube 200. Athenga uflour, athenge amafutha. Abheke amagwinya akasebenza ngithi. Abhale ibhodi la gating la kubo ukuthi udayisa amagwinya. Uyezwa mos. In that way so besimnikezela yi1 lo muntu sitshale imbewu. Le mbewu yena uzoyikhulisa nakubona ukuthi usona. You understand? I'm telling you bahleka bamtshena wahleka naye because yena ulindele i350 mina semthena kabhaka amagwinya une standard yena mina le standard engeke ngisikhona. You understand?
That's the thing.
So again kutwa akusi wrong ukuthi uThabo ewakithi ngimthengele iTafis lesikole ukuthi agqoke njengabanye abantwana yofunda. But uThabo afuna igrasshopper. Inezongifuna 400 and something or 600. Uyezwa iTafis li 150 ngiyalithenga uyagqoka unyaka wonke. You understand? Now where there is a demand ngine problem lapha. Now again ihlupha lapha wena mbuso. Labantwana lapha umzali wakho uri-responsible for yena but imali umsupporta lo mntwana uthatha kimi. Amenzela izinto eziphezulu like kunabantwana abaphatha amafoni amakhulu ngisho kunawethu uthisha. Uyezwa mos, we don't have a problem with that. But then i-problem ithi ke bayithatha up. There's somebody suffering out there. What I would say Putam, again we had a family meeting one day and I gave you a background ukuthi ubaba wami vela babize bonke. So we had a family meeting one Christmas Eve. So then sekufika la abuza khona omunye walabo sesi but sicela ukubuza ukuthi njengoba ubaba omncane kubo yabo ubaba omncane responsible for thina manje sonke like abafowabo sebashona responsible for thina sonke manje la bengicela ukuthi ngibuza ukuthi makungenzeka ukuthi ubaba omncane eshona umenzi uyena enozosinakekela because phela uyena firstborn ngapha ngisisanda same time ngisini bafethu ngicela uku-addressa manje lesisonke esiphelele sisahleka futhi I can't because
then it's your responsibility
mama ukubuza umuntu ono 23 years I'm 28 leso sikhathi ukubuza umuntu ono 23 ufuna ukusupportiwa unomntwana uyezwa manje that's not fair you understand what I'm trying to say is wonke umuntu akadla responsibility yakhe ngomntana wonke umuntu adlala irole yakhe then uzoyibona ukuthi black tax ayikho because mangabe ngiyasupport iqondene nawe njengomzali wami so mangabe kunomfowethu ofunda isikole eyidabukile icathulo not ngobe ephethe okusangana kwakhe ngiyamsupporta that month ngiyamthola ngithi fahla ngiqhubeka ngibhekana nalo
yes
nami mfowethu bambize interview uyofuna umsebenzi ngimthi fahla ngetransport ngiqhubeka ngibhekene nawe uyayibona in that type of time there is no black tax you understand siphila sonke siya developer lo uyafunda lo uyafunda lo uyofuna umsebenzi siyalekelana maku Christmas mhlambe maku December siyahlangana sithenga imvu sithenga ingulube siyadla sisonke siphelele masiceda siyahlukana you understand now again sengiyagcina I had a friend owathi mayephuma esikoleni wathi ufuna ukwakhela abantu bakubo indlu like a very big house then ngathi mina you know I would say buy a stand ne antu ababona vele abakhoni bawu3 uye was3 and uye nomncane nabo bonke ngani sithi ababona abafuna ukuthi abakhoni I would advise you against building one big house because kushothi nonke niyongena lapha endlini angithi and umuntu wesifazane unama rules wendlu yakhe angithi man now ikasoke ngathi mina thola stand yakha ama 2 room awu3 la jardin avulela ne distance bese ngithi Thabo nansi 2 room yakho mbuso nayi 2 room yakho nansi yami 2 room bese uextenda le yakho ngamandla wakho uma ekhona la kubo onamandla ukuextend izo extend yakho asiphekele lapha ya nawe usiphekele nami ngisiphekele senzela ukuthi the day mina ngifuna ukudla uphuthu namasi kungabi nezokhombla ukuthi akudla uphuthu namhlanje ngifuna inyama you understand again butwa again bese nang atleham yindlu nansi inkulu yimi uSS nawe Thabo uyayibona mase now uAtleham useswala khaya uyazi la ukuthi vele yimi wala khaya mangiletha mina umedem la khaya wazi ukuthi indlu yakhe because yakhe window yakhe lo mthetho walo uthi ama glass abhekiswa phansi kamedem ama glass uthi abheka phezulu uyabo sasusa impi la esingeke sayimela rather uAtleham azi ukuthi naliya iroom lakhe lapha ya ukhulumela lona lodwa umntana kithi lona ngithi mangabe ngithenga inyama ngijabulile ngifuna sprite angimbizi sidleni lelo langa but angabi responsibility yami emdala engako mangabe ngithengela umntana nami iDanone awu6 ngikale ukuthi azothatha until Friday akasathola until Friday because kunomntana kaAtleham kunomntana kaThabo osafuna ukudla khona la you understand I'm trying to say it runs to a certain extent
yes
from that zibone ndoda angaloku nginikeza ama 500 per month baba every month angina 500 uqala ibusiness ngikusize mangibona ngathi ibusiness yawo
yes
ngikuvusa
ngiyayivuma le
uqhubeke ukuze nami kube ne point la ngisitopha khona
mara ngithi uthekselwa le ngiyayithanda le ukuthi if le black tax vele iyangihlupha mina if besithi uthekselwa lokho uthekselwa ukuthi kube ne development leyo ikhuluma ko manje it's a very valid point ukuthi if sekufika to a point ukuthi aqini sekufuneka njalo seyinto nje khona ukuthi akuthiwe nje okay la endlini kuba nesitolo nasi isitolo esigada umusi then nakuthengiswa nje nasona lana kuyaziwa ukuthi imali yala yiyo eyenza igrocer eyenza so mina ngivumelela nayo leyo ukuthi if kuthiwa akuthexwe one on these conditions akuthexwe to amandla womuntu la agcina khona 1 bese kuba nesikhathi futhi sokuthi le tax izongithatha la until la from la senzazibona ngoba nami mele ngizidevelop.
Thank you.
Ngiyayivuma ke le.
Thank you.
Yeah, as I'm closing the show, ngiyabona ukuthi vele ukuya ngami ngabe siba ne part 3 of this topic. What would you say to umuntu obhekene ne black tax or who is about to be a victim ye black tax?
In conclusion, mina eyami bafethu advice izothi uphuma endleleni. I wanna say mhlambe ngizo understand that. I wanna say let us do family planning ne bed control. Izosiza ku avoid thinking eyiningi because uma sizokwenza kanjalo futhi wami ngeke sisithole sinama demands angekho endleleni, you understand? Uma bazali ne bengacabanga bezali babone isalary khona bathi hayi asigcine baba la amandla ukuthi angeke asavuma. Akungabi ukuthi umbuso sekakhulile unencindezi yokukhulisa abafowabo, cha. Uyayibona mase angibasiza bakwithi ngoba kunesidingo, but kungabi ukuthi njengoba sengifundile ke second over kimi koncha umzali akaqhubeka umzali nami ngiqhubeke ngibe umntwana. Ngiyabonga.
Okay, Atlehang briefly.
Well, to me, to my conclusion, bear in mind, it was your parents' job to raise you as much as it's going to be your job to raise your own child and your own child to raise your grandchildren. So bear in mind that you don't owe your parents anything. You don't owe them anything, like at all. At first, you weren't even living for them. They brought you into the world. There is the need for them to take care of you.
Yes.
You don't owe them anything.
Langa, briefly.
Mina uthi la ubaqendezele
who are about to be victims. Umuntu sazoya ayosebenza
and then melana nayo kwanhlobo le ye black tax. So angeke ngithi uyoba i victim. So ngifuna ukuthi umuntu before athi i victim ahlole kuqala ukuthi lento othi uyoba i victim kiyo iyona le black tax esikhuluma ngayo lana. Abantu bangazenzeli ama black tax wabo ukuthi sebasaba ukuba grateful to abazali babo. Mina akube ne enlightenment ne information eningi eprovidewa ukubackup lento esiyithiwa ngokuthi black tax ukuze abantu nanoma umuntu aye ku counseling or a depressed kube sikhuluma ngento eyodwa ukuthi udepressed ukuthi bamdemanda imali noma izinto ezingaphezulu kwamandla wakhe. Hayi ukuthi umuntu akasafuni kwanhlobo ukuthi angikolodi next ungikholisile ngiyabonga ayiyele nami ngiye kanje akusiyona impilo thina abantu abamnyama leyo esikhuliswe ngayo futhi engibona ukuthi ingaba nekusasa elihle nasingashiya abazali bethu nje sithi nje abazibona ukuthi baphila kanjani.
Okay, from me, myself and I, your host to Provident, I'd say to you, do things within your means and and then Oxalive, you can do it into Kai. Please do interact with us on all social media platforms. Thank you guys for joining us.